The 3D Experience platform offers you the opportunity to connect SOLIDWORKS to a wider network of design, communication, simulation, manufacturing, and management applications that cater to every stage of the design process. The SOLIDWORKS Cloud services contain the entry-level apps that you need to help you streamline collaboration, share your designs, and store your CAD data securely on the cloud. Whether you're a solo designer or part of a larger team, there are benefits that you can start taking advantage of today. And if you're ready to get started, then the first step is for your platform administrator to log in and activate your license. After confirming your order, you'll receive an email. This contains the terms and conditions closer that you'll need to read and agree to before using the platform. This email should be sent to your platform administrator as it contains the activation link. The administrator must then click the link in the email and log in with their 3D Experience ID to activate the licenses and invite other members to the platform. You might already have a 3D Experience ID, as downloading SOLIDWORKS requires one. But if not, then registration is a straightforward process. So now your license is activated, it's time to get started with the basics of working with SOLIDWORKS and the 3D Experience platform. If you'd like to jump straight in, then we've created a series of 2 to 3 minute videos that will help you to become familiar with all of the key 3D Experience functions that are available inside SOLIDWORKS. Or, if you prefer a guided approach, then we also offer an implementation service, where one of our expert engineers will help you get set up, introduce you to the new tools, and work with you to find the best way to integrate the 3D Experience platform into your existing workflow. Regardless of your approach, we believe that these tools have a huge amount of value to offer, and we're excited to help you succeed with them. So if you have any further questions about SOLIDWORKS Cloud services or the extended functionality of the 3D Experience platform, please don't hesitate to contact us.